Hi guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber, and I'd like to say welcome if you are new here. And in this video, y'all, I am going to be using my stash. Yes, it is a must that I use my stash. I'm trying to be good and not buy any new products, even though I've seen a few out there that I do want to try, and I'll probably eventually go ahead and buy them. But until then, I am going to use my stash, and I am going to be trying a new wash and go combo. Haven't done those in a while. So the products that I'm going to be using for this combo are the Sea Moss Anti-Shedding Curl Pudding here, and I'm going to be pairing it with the Mango and Tulsi Nourishing Styling Gel, this right here. So these two together, I'm hoping will be a bomb dot combo. So what I've done already, I've already shampooed, deep conditioned, and added leave-in into my hair already. And of course I use the anti-shedding line by Mielle. This is the leave-in conditioner here, the shampoo, and then I used the conditioner as well, and the gel hair mask here. I did review this whole line. It is on my channel. I can have that linked up above and in the description box, so you can check that out after this one, so you can see my thoughts about it. And I've also reviewed the new Mango and Tulsi line as well, and that will be in the cards and in the description box too. So I did put the leave-in conditioner in my hair, and that is what is currently in my hair and under this cap. I only put a little bit in it just to keep the moisture in my hair until, you know, it was time to use the curl pudding and the styling gel. So I am just gonna go ahead and take this plastic cap off so you guys can see what my hair looks like with just the leave-in conditioner in. And let me put this towel around my neck because the water. Okay, so let's just go ahead and take this out of the bun, and this is what we're working with, y'all. Hair looks really good. Curls look defined. There's some shine as well. And I have already did a little side part right here. So I am just gonna go ahead and section my hair and add the curl pudding, and then I'm gonna go back and add the styling gel. Okay, so here is the curl pudding, and this is the consistency of it. Very milky. Okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add the curl pudding to this section here. Okay, just giving it a little elongation, a little clumpage going on there. More to the other side. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and add the curl pudding to the rest of my sections, and then I'll come back and then I'll start adding the styling gel. done adding the curl pudding to my hair, and this is what we are looking like. There is a white residue, but hopefully that will all go away once my hair has completely dried. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the Nourishing Styling Gel from the Mango and Tulsi line, and I don't think that I'm going to do this on like each separated section. I think I'm just going to take the gel and just kind of run it through my fingers on top. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. So let me just go ahead and get some of the gel. That much first. Okay, so I'm done applying the gel to my hair. So now the true test will be when my hair completely dries. And of course, I'll come back and let you guys see what my hair looks like once it has completely dried. Okay, y'all, so I sat up under the hooded blow dryer for about 30 minutes and my hair is like completely dry already, y'all. And as you can see, there is no white residue. I mean, there are some gray hairs but no white residue, which I am happy about. Curls are defined and I didn't really have that much shrinkage either. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and band my hair with satin scrunchies so I can just go ahead and stretch it out. Will stretch my hair out, and I will also say that there is not a crunch or anything, but there is a hold. So I am excited to see how this wash and go is going to turn out. But once I band it, I'm going to come back tomorrow and I'll show you guys what day one looks like. Okay, so it is the next day and I'm going to get ready and take my bonnet off and take these scrunchies out to see what kind of results we get with this wash and go. When I used the Mango and Tulsi styling gel the first time with the leave-in, I got flakes. So I'm curious to see if I will get flakes this time with me using the curl pudding instead of the leave-in conditioner from the Mango and Tulsi line. Tulsi, however you say it. So let's just go ahead and take my bonnet off. This is what it's looking like. Okay, so I do not see any flakes falling. So that is a plus, but do y'all see the definition and the shine? So far so good. So let's go ahead and take this other side out. Do y'all see that? Ooh. Now I'm just, you know, separating. This is a bomb dot combo. It looks so good. The only little con that I am going to mention is how it's not as like shiny and like smooth like on this section here as it is like down the length of my hair, but that is okay. Like my hair looks really, really good. I'm just so excited that I did not get any flakes this time. So with that being said, with me using this Mango and Tulsi styling gel, it is either the leave-in that I use with it or the amount of gel that I used. When I used it the first time, I put the gel on every single section, but this time I just kind of put it on, you know, just on top of my hair, as you saw in the video. So it could be either of the two, but I will say that if you have these two products in your stash, this is definitely a great combo, and I bet it would be even more great if you were to do like a twist out or a braid out. So I definitely think this was a great combination. So the next test, y'all, is to see how it stands up in this humidity. So I will let you guys see how my hair lasts for at least 3 days, just so we can see how it held up with the humidity. So stay tuned for day 2. So it is day 2 of this wash and go, and I just want to let y'all see how my hair is looking. It looks really, really good. Last night I put it up in a pineapple and just put my satin bonnet on, and these are the results that we have, guys. So far so good. This is a really good combo. My hair has body to it, but it is also like moisturized and it doesn't feel like weighed down or anything. So day 2 of this combo is really, really good. Okay, y'all, this is Editing Katrina, and I just realized that I did not come back on the 3rd day to show you guys what my results looked like. They were pretty much the same for day 3, but as the days went on, my definition did start to go away, although my hair still felt very, very moisturized. And the huge plus is I never got any flakes. So I definitely think that this combo is definitely worth a try, especially if it's in your stash, and you would definitely get more defined and more moisturized days if this combo was used during the fall as well as the winter time. So that is pretty much it for this video, y'all. If you have not subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so before you go. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you are interested in another combo that I'm getting ready to try, I think it's gonna be a good one, y'all. But you need to make sure that you are subscribed and your notifications are on so you'll know when I post the video. So with all that being said, I really do appreciate you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.